It's got some stuff on the bottom. I'm filming my feet. There, I'm filming something. I'm not sure what I'm filming. I'm not sure it's even running. How would I know?
No.
Oh.
There should be, yeah, you're filming.
I am? How would I know?
There's a light in the front.
Oh,
There's a timer on the top left.
I'm filming myself, Chris.
Yeah,
who knows what I have filmed?
I'm going for the right side now.
Oh, you hit something out there.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, I'm filming you in the target area.
There we go.
Okay, here we go on semi-full automatic. Okay, we're going to go behind him here. Catch him coming out here, downrange. Finger wore out and he quit.
I think there's still one in there.
Okay, let's see what we got here. 20 rounds in a mag, 50 cents a round.
We're out.
There we go, 20 bucks in 5 seconds.
Barrels, get the barrel.
If anybody knew how to burn up money.